Hi, this is Kay. This is a sneak peek of what I looked like just before starting the ketogenic diet 2 years ago. I was 58 years old, I weighed 155 pounds, and wore a size 8. I had been working very hard on trying to reverse the damage to my whole body from having had long-term chronic Lyme disease. This is me 2 years later at age 60, feeling better than way before I even had Lyme disease. I weigh 119 pounds and I wear a size, between a 2 and a 4. If you like the video, click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I make more videos.